Hello everyone, welcome back to Noelcrafts, and in today's episode we are casting on stitches using the long tail method. I'm using 2 strands of the medium weight yarn and my needles are 3.5 millimeters. We are going to make a slip stitch, then insert in one of our needles. You have to make sure the slip stitch is in the middle so that you have some yarn left on both ends. Our slip stitch is ready. Now we are going to yarn over on the thumb. Make sure the needle goes through the loop on the thumb. Pick up the yarn on the other side as shown. We are going to repeat yarn over on the thumb. Make sure the needle passes through the loop. Picks up yarn on the other side as shown. We are going to repeat like this, yarn over. Make sure the needle picks up yarn through the loop as shown. So this is it guys, we are going to repeat over and over until we have enough stitches on the needle.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the
So once you've had enough stitches casted on your needle, if you check at the back of your needle, you'll see something like a chain that looks like this, which means you've casted on your stitches very well. This is just a sample of how to cast on stitches using the long tail method. They also call this method the thumb method. Remember, you can cast on as many stitches as you can. This is just an example of how it's done. We will be doing all those methods on this channel. I'll be doing all those tutorials. So this is a call to someone who is not yet subscribed to subscribe so that you don't miss any of this. From here, after casting on your stitches, you can progress to knitting. But if you are a beginner, I'd advise you start over the casting on stitches as many times as possible so that you can master the skill. Remember, when it comes to knitting, the more you practice, the more you master. So you can start over casting on, repeat casting on until you know how to cast on your stitches properly. Once you master casting on stitches using the both ways, because we'll be teaching another tutorial on how to cast on stitches. From there, knitting is easy. So thank you so much for watching to this end. See you in the next tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more of this content.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you